Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your WhatsApp is showing temporarily unavailable. Please try again after 5 minutes error into your Android device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to solve this issue, first of all you have to know the reason for this issue. Mostly this problem occurs whenever there are server problems or any other maintenance problem into WhatsApp, but sometimes it can occur when your internet connection is very weak to handle the WhatsApp processes. Then in this case, first of all you have to fix your internet connection, and if it still doesn't get solved, it might be the problem of the servers. Now if that's the case, just simply wait for some minutes or some hours depending on how fast the servers are gonna be back online, and after a short time period try using the WhatsApp again. Then the problem might be fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.